Hello, hope you are doing well. In this video tutorial, we have a very nice exponential equation 2 to the power m is equal to m to the power 32. We have to find the value of m in this problem which satisfies this equation. So all of you watch the complete video and thumbs up if you like the solution. In the very first step, we are going to take power 1 over m on both sides of this equation. So this will be equal to 2 to the power m to the power 1 over m is equal to m to the power 32 to the power 1 over m. Here we are going to apply power of a power rule, which says if a raised to power x to the power y, then this is equal to a raised to power x times y. So using this rule, we can multiply these two powers. So this will be equal to 2 to the power. This m and this m will be cancelled out. We are left with 2 to the power 1, which is 2 again, is equal to m to the power 32 times 1 is 32 divided by m. Now we will take power 1 divided by 32 on both sides of this equation. So 2 to the power 1 divided by 32 is equal to m to the power 32 divided by m whole to the power 1 divided by 32. This will be equal to 2 to the power 1 over 32, and here the power will be multiplied. This 32 and 32 will be cancelled out. 2 to the power 1 divided by 32 is equal to, here we are left with m to the power 1 over m. On right hand side we can see m raised to the power 1 over m. So our next step is to change this left hand side in the same form. For that we are going to change 1 divided by 32 to its equivalent value. We can write it as 2 divided by 64, because after simplifying we will get 1 divided by 32 again. So 2 to the power 2 divided by 64, m to the power 1 over m. We can split the power using power of a power rule, which is a raised to power x raised to power y. So we can write it as 2 to the power 2 to the power 1 over 64. 2 to the power 2 means 4 to the power 1 over 64. Right hand side as it is. Now we will change this 1 divided by 64 to its equivalent value. We can write it as 2 divided by 128. After simplifying we will get the same again. So we can write it as 4 to the power 2 to the power 1 divided by 128. 4 to the power 2 or 4 square is 16 to the power 1 divided by 128, m raised to power 1 over m. Changing 1 divided by 128 to its equivalent value, we can write it as 2 divided by 256. We can write this as 16 to the power 2 to the power 1 divided by 256 is equal to m to the power 1 over m. 16 to the power 2 or 16 square mean 16 times 16, which is equal to 256 to the power 1 over 256 is equal to m to the power 1 over m. Now we can see the left hand side and right hand side are in the same form. So by equating the power or base, we have the value of m is equal to 256, which is final and required value of m. I hope all the steps are clear. If not, feel free to ask to me in the comment box. But our next step is to check whether this value of m satisfies the equation or not. So we will put this value of m in the given equation, which is 2 to the power m is equal to m to the power 32. Putting the value of m, which is equal to 256, 2 to the power 256 is equal to 256 to the power 32, which is equal to 2 to the power 256 is equal to, we can write 256 as 2 to the power 8 to the power 32, because multiplying 2 8 times by itself will give us 256. 2 to the power 256 is equal to, here we are going to apply power of a power rule, so power will be multiplied. 2 to the power 8 times 2 is 16, 1 carry, 8 times 3 is 24, plus 1 25. It means that left hand side is equal to right hand side, and the value of m satisfy this equation, and this value is correct. Go through all the steps once again. Keep watching, keep practicing. You can visit the channel for more informative videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.